Hello everyone, today I'll be demonstrating how to download Ubuntu on Oracle VM Virtual Box. Alright, so the first thing you guys are going to do is go to your preferred web browser. You're going to go to this link, which I'll surely leave on the description. Then you are going to hit download. I already downloaded the file, so I already have it. I'm not going to do that. So once you already download it, you can go to your VM. I'm going to create a new one just because of this. I already created mine. So here we can type Ubuntu. Mind you, the download might take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how your internet speed is. So Ubuntu 20, just how to title it. I'm not going to title it like that because I already titled mine. I don't want to get confused. Alright, 64-bit. Hit next. And for the RAM, depending on how much RAM you have, I decided to go with 4096. Hit next. Next, fixed sized, and then for file location size, for mine I did 10 gigabytes. So hit create. Takes a few seconds. Just bear with me. Alright, as you can see, we already mounted it. So let's go to settings, and then we go to storage. We will add the disk here, so you will have to hit the image, create, and then that's where you go and find your disk, the image file. For mine is this one, so just click OK, and then choose. You can go ahead and delete this, remove it, hit OK, and then now you can start. Here, just switch to Ubuntu. Start. Might take a few seconds as well. This section is just checking the disk to see if everything's okay. Just wait for it to complete. Just wait a second and it will take you to the installation page. Alright, it's almost done. Alrighty, the system has installed. Now what you are going to do is restart. Click restart now. Just let it do its thing. Okay, as you see, it has booted up, well, restarted. So here you would put the password that you created first. Okay, just give it a little bit. Just be patient with it. And there you go. For this, if you want to add your account, you can go ahead and do it, but for myself I didn't do this, so you can just skip next, next, next. You don't really have to do all this, and there we go.